Hey guys!
Hey guys,
I am Harsimran
I'm Hamraj.
and today we will be talking about electric vehicles. Currently, we are in a Nissan Leaf charging right there for free. Right now,
Yeah.
we're getting essentially free electricity here, and we can go anywhere for free. And there are solar panels on top of the charger, which means we are carbon neutral. And we did not emit any carbon dioxide at all.
Okay.
So in case you didn't know, electric cars work with a battery and a motor. So on the floor of this car, there's a ginormous battery. It's a 30 kilowatt hour battery. Just to give you perspective, that is how much energy your house might use in about 2 days. 30 kilowatt hours on average. So this car has that energy built in right on the floor essentially, and it has a motor in the front with driving the front wheels. So it takes electricity from the battery, puts it to the motor, drives the wheels, all that crazy stuff. But what really sets this apart from other vehicles is that this car is really silent. When you're driving, there's pretty much no sound whatsoever, right? If we were driving right now, I wouldn't talk much louder. I would just be talking normally. This is how silent it is. Yeah.
Fill the card.
You have to tap the card. Oh, plug it in and then you have to tap your card, your thing.
Maybe?
Hopefully, maybe not. It's worth a try. It's worth a try. It's worth a try.
But it's flow. I don't know what flow
Who
is.
cares?
Charging.
It's charging? It's charging!
Charging in progress.
That's sick! It's charging!
It's charging.
Oh
Hopefully,
my
I guess.
Yeah, that's sick! It's a free charger!
So right now we're charging the car with a charging station, as you can see. And with these huge contraptions that they have, it's connected to solar panels at the top where you can see the wires just going all the way to the charging station. And then we pretty much get free electricity for the time being, as we stay here. Right now it's been around 13 minutes right here, and we are still charging, but it's a fast charger, so it should charge in about 2 hours.
Over here, where we are right now, we have 4 different charging stations. So, they all use the same plug. It is this one, the J1772 plug. And what that is, that's the main plug that almost every electric vehicle actually uses. So, you have 4 of them here. You have solar panels on the roof of this, right? And these solar panels provide energy to the building right there. So that means that even though we're charging, we might be charging from the grid, but this solar panels have probably generated enough power that this car is essentially carbon neutral. Car back there to charge while we're going inside the building because we kind of have this car.
Okay.
Because we kind of have to go to the washroom, you know, nature's call, man.
A few moments later.
So right now I have the app open for the car, and I can see that it's 42% charged. And with the app, I'm able to turn on climate control, which is right there, and set a timer if I need to put a timer for 10 minutes maybe. And there's that. I can also see if it's charging or not, which is right here, it's charging. And right here it says 5.5 hours to full charge at 6 kilowatt hours from the charger. And if I want to update, I can literally connect to Nissan. It'll refresh everything, and I'm able to get all the information off the car on the app.
So all of what Hamraj talked about is available in almost every single electric car out there. So the thing is that electric cars are better and they have more convenience and functionality built into them, right? So that is a big bonus factor when you consider buying an electric car or just any car for that matter, right? Plus you just charge at home, right? It's like waking up with a full tank of gas all the time.
Alright, so we might as well leave right now because our parents are gonna kill us. So, so far it's been charging for almost an hour, and inside it's around 90 kilometers to drive, so around 60%. So we'll just unplug it. It's literally just that port. Just puts it down, pull it out, and it stops charging. We'll close the lid, close the hood, and put this back into place. There you go.
And that's it.
And that's it.